Hello everyone, today we'll be going over the course introduction for C++ foundations to be able to give ourselves actually a foundation within C++ to be able to get used to the syntax and go through various practice problems and exercises all together. In order to actually get comfortable with the syntax, we'll be giving examples throughout the rest of this course to be able to go over especially key concepts that we will find within the syntax of C++, a concept example, and a couple practice problems to be able to go over each of the following concepts. But then overall throughout this course is that we will be going through each examples that you can code along as well to be able to help cement and solidify your concepts within C++ and build a strong foundational understanding for either data structures or algorithms or for your own personal projects as well. And if you are looking to dive further in depth and grow upon your understanding with C++ and get used to the syntax hands-on, then this course is for you. And without any further delay, let's get started.